Angela right here on the Keeping Your Legs Closed show. Mike, you too much. I'm going to tell you right now. Mike said if she's saying my, run, run, run. And I'm saying if he's saying he ready to move up in your spot, at least check him out, especially if you have children. Because we were talking about the kids, you know. And I wanted to say as a final thought, Mike, I wanted to make sure that I said, I'm not against man, woman shacking up because like you said, if it works for you, like you said about online dating, go for it. And if it works for you, because like you said, the lady and her man, the one who just came off the Air Talk Show host, they stayed together for years.
And still together.
And still together.
That's from the 80s.
That's from the 80s. And they stayed together and they still together. And that is a beautiful thing. It's not for everybody to get married. Everybody does not want to marry. So I want to make sure I said that. But I seriously, you know, because I believe that too. That a lot of people can make it. I don't know how that works. Right. I ain't with it, okay? Right. You said it's okay, but then there are some that are looking to maybe purchase a house. Maybe he wants to buy a house for her, and it might be better for them to stay under her Section 8 roof. Save the money, let the government, you know, I don't know. They're scheming.
No,
I ain't with it.
No, I'm not saying that. Okay. Now, she got Section 8 or whatever. I'm saying that then together, if they move in together with their income, now using if you're using both incomes and you overpass Section 8, then why can't y'all cohabitate and coexist together? But if you saying mine, once we live in and we mingling money, it shouldn't be yours. It should be mine, ours. It should be an our thing from that moment on.
Anybody got anything to say about that? Please call us. Please call us, ladies. Call in, please. Call in. We need to hear more about this. We want to know who needs to be doing what. But and if you in my house, once again, you need to be paying every last one of my bills. You can't come in here and not pay them all.
Bull crap. No, she need to be splitting that. We gonna split that down the middle. That's how it is. We gonna split that down the middle. Because she said my house again. So we split it down the middle. Matter of fact, it being that's her house, she's paying 75%. I'm paying 25%.
What?
1/4.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? He looking for a benefit. If you ain't got that
what
benefit,
they said, 80/20? 80/20 was that? When I get married? 80/20 or 20/80? Whatever? Yeah.
Mike, come on. You just told me.
No, if you want to say my house, I'm not paying more. I'm not paying no. Like
You're not going to pay the bill? So what are you doing in there? Get your butt out of there.
I'm paying my portion. My little corner. I'm sleeping on your bed. Your dad for that bed?
You ain't sleeping in that bed?
Oh, if I ain't sleeping in the bed.
Oh my God. Listen, you
I ain't paying jack.
You up in that
I'm staying at my mama's house then. If that's
Good, go home.
Yeah.
But you know what? Because this man need a room in there. He need a corner.
I'll meet you at the movie theater. Have your money for your half of the ticket. I have mine. Being that we ain't living together, you have your half and I have mine.
Whatever happened to it? Whatever happened to chivalry? It's dead.
You're damn right.
I know. Come on, guys. Y'all got to do better. Ain't no way.
If once a woman's doing that like mama, it's not fair.
That's why I said go home.
I heard my mama say that mama all the time. I don't like it. I don't think it's right.
No, I want to hear you say mama may have and papa may have, but God bless the child who what?
Has his own.
Who has his own. He needs his own.
That's
you
right.
got your own and I got my own. I think we need to stay. I'm sorry, like I said, that's me, but that's not Mike, and it's probably not a whole lot of you guys out there maybe feel the same way that Mike feels. And I'm gonna tell you something, with the economy, the way it is today, it actually takes 2 incomes, everybody living under one roof, to do it. That's in the world system, but a lot of people don't go by the kingdom of God system, which says if you tithe, you won't have those issues, those financial issues. I'm a tither. I believe in tithing. No, seriously, man.
And it went up since 1960. It was 20% of people were single. Adults were single in the United States. Now it's up to 48% of the Americans are single, and that's 2010.
Where you getting these statistics from?
It was on the news this morning.
Okay.
ABC World News, you can Google it.
Okay. And so now, what are the statistics?
So we going up. Single people are going up more and more.
Single people are going up.
People are not getting married no more. It's getting smaller and smaller.
That's not good, Mike. We need structure in the home.
Yeah.
This is the reason why a lot of men are so easy and quick to walk away, because they're not married. When you don't have that marriage certificate and you don't have that bond together with them, it's more easy for the man to just get up and walk away. When the woman starts saying my, or she gets the nagging, they have a lack of wanting to work it out. They're no longer wanting to work it out and see what they can do
See, you just said it yourself.
Said what?
You're my.
I said when the woman is saying my, maybe he might want to say, baby, listen, I don't want you to say my. It's ours. Yes. I love you. We you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like that.
That's how it's supposed to be. My is
Let
not
me tell
a good
you,
thing.
My is not a good thing. Get out my house.
Only person
get out my house. Get your own.
Only person supposed to be saying my is Johnny Gill. And that's it. That's it.
You heard it right here on the Keeping Your Legs Closed show. We thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. We appreciate it. And call us 718-737-1723 if you yourself would like to be a guest on the Keeping Your Legs Closed show. Bye.